here from BG Trading. Hope you're well. Today is 4th of August 2022, and I'll be analyzing TYRO, which the ASX code is TYR. This is a stock that we are currently holding position, but we still think there are great upside at the current price, which means under $1, right? We're recording this video 1 week after our entry, so we already entered and we are already holding 20 to 23% profit on this particular position. But the reason I'm still sort of looking into this stock is because the upside based on fundamental value could be a lot higher than that. Let's have a look. Just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice. It's just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy, when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, how we avoid FOMO, which means buying in a really expensive areas. Much more in this channel. So if you like, please subscribe and share this video with someone that you believe could be interested. So let's jump straight away into understanding a little bit what TYRO is. Unlike a lot of people believe, TYRO is not a buy now, pay later company. Is actually a merchant facility company like Square, and now sort of getting into online merchant facility to compete with PayPal and Stripe, which is a really good move for the company. But the majority of the money is made by a commission out of transaction fees. If you go to cafes, if you go to restaurants, you see a TYRO machine in there, take a look, and most likely it is TYRO machine. Could be NZ, CBA, any of those machines, but TYRO is taking over. That because the back end of the app for merchants offers a very flexible adjustment setup compared to other merchants. And furthermore, TYRO has also a banking license, which gives TYRO competitive advantage, on our view, from competition like Stripe, for example. And most important, a lot of merchants that use TYRO can actually borrow money, make a loan, borrow money, and these payments are not based on interest fees. It's actually based on a set fee. So you can see how much you're going to pay. And what they do, TYRO goes and collect a little bit of payments out of each day payment transaction. So it's a very flexible concept. The hardware seems to be a little bit obsolete, but the company is still breaking through and keeps improving its technology as well, and going towards facilitating online purchases as well. I think this is a massive move, and there's a massive market for TYRO to go through that. So I have done my latest analysis on TYRO, and one of the things I highlighted is the recent Bendigo Bank alliance that has been boosting TYRO's overall revenue by $2.5 billion. Obviously, one of the problems with that is the transaction margin has decreased, but says the company over the last half-year report that will be passing on part of this cost, and therefore bringing the transaction margin higher again, which is what we're looking for as investors. So the company keeps increasing its revenue, its number of transactions, its number of merchants as well, which is pretty good, and with solid value increased of 31%, and gross profit increased by 25%. What else I want to highlight on this is that TYRO has just recently done acquisition of MediPass, which is now going towards medical payment platform as well. So into not longer just in hospitality, but also in medical. And TYRO is also looking into breaking through another sectors as well. and go sort of potentially take over all the retail space as a whole. Also, recently partnered with Telstra, offering merchant acquiring solutions for Telstra business customers in Australia, which is good. And we expect to have a pretty decent full year result for TYRO. And provided that the stock is still trading under $1, I think that gives a pretty good upside there. In fact, much more upside than the downside. So now let's jump straight into the analysis and take a look and understand a little bit what's happening with TYRO on this stock formation. So we got in around 77 cents. So now the stock's trading 96 cents, 23% above our entry price. As you can see, we have even posted a opportunity for some of VIP members to lock in 22 or 23% profit this morning. But we believe the stock could still should go a lot higher. In fact, we have actually put a target, and this is again like it's all to do with our strategy. We have a target right here at 9.90 cents, which normally tends to work out as a hypothetical support and hypothetical resistance, depending which way the stock's going. In this case, it will be hypothetical resistance. But what we're doing is, as you have seen with Zip and other stocks that have trading really hard in massive momentum, didn't even respect that sort of resistance. And potentially we might see the same happening with TYRO. And obviously, if that happens, then the stock could go a lot higher. We really need to see what the stock price formation will confirm. And in this case, what we're going to be doing is we hold the stock as long as it trades above the yellow line. So if it trades above the yellow line, the candles trading above the yellow line, so we keep holding, and then once it is out of the yellow line, sort of crosses back from like you can see here at the top. As you can see here, the crosses down and start trading below the yellow line. That's when we get out. That's time to get out. But as long as it trades above the yellow line, so we get in, stay in, and make as much money as we can in the trade. So there's no specific target at this stage. So we can pre-estimate some sort of value. But in terms of target, it really to do with the chart formation, as long as the green candles popping up and as long as we stays above the yellow line. So a great upside for TYRO, I believe, is still trading considerably low compared to what it was last year. That the upside is higher than the downside, unless some problems happens behind the scenes, which I don't think it is this case for this particular company. But here are my thoughts. Guys, this is just one of the stocks that we are trading at the moment. There are a lot of other stocks, and if you're interested to learn more about other stocks that we are currently trading with a similar potential, maybe not as much as TYRO, but still giving us 20 to 40% potential upside, you might want to take a look on our VIP membership program, or if you want to trade applying our strategy, just take a look on our online course. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.